Good afternoon, I'm Jaime, and today I would like to talk about my last birthday. I think it is a nice topic, and many of you have celebrated this wonderful opportunity in different ways. So, for this opportunity, I have three questions. So, the first one is, how was your last birthday? And the possible answer is this one: my last birthday was wonderful. But you can use more adjectives. You can say my last birthday was great, was nice, was unforgettable, etc. The second question is, where did you go? You can say something like, I went to Boyacá, I went to Cundinamarca, or I went to La Guajira. Or you can say, I went to an elegant restaurant, I went to a luxury hotel, etc. The last question, what did you do that day? So we have some connectors right here. We can start with this one. First, I got up early that day. Second, my family invited me to an elegant restaurant. Third, we ordered some mouth-watering dishes. And after that, we ordered for a delicious cake. We enjoyed everything in that restaurant. And finally, we went home to watch a movie. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.